Hello everyone, my name is Ratandeep Singh and I'm a professional Muay Thai fighter and also a internationally certified Muay Thai trainer. तो मैं काफ़ी दिनों से सोच रहा था कि मैं अपनी एक YouTube वीडियो बनाऊं, बट आई वॉज नॉट श्योर व्हाट टू अपलोड. तो मैंने डिसाइड किया कि क्यों ना अपनी पहली वीडियो की शुरुआत करूं आपको अपने इस स्टूडियो का टूर देके. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. तो सबसे पहले मैं बात करना चाहूँगा इन सर्टिफिकेशंस के बारे में. ज़्यादा शो नहीं कर पा रहा मैं आपको, पर आपको इनकी पिक्चर्स यहाँ पर मिल जाएंगी. So I did these certifications back in 2021 because I always wanted to be a personal trainer before I even started to doing Muay Thai. And this certification I did from Thailand, from my coach Krunot. I don't know his real name because it's very difficult if you have to pronounce it. It's very weird and difficult. If you ever visit to Thailand and someone tell you their name, I mean it's very hard to remember that. So for me it's Krunot. Can remember it, it's easy. Most amazing person that's in my life. And I did a certification from him. That's a professional Muay Thai trainer, level C. I still have to go level B and A. I think I will do it within this year when I go back again. That's the story of these certificates. And now let's talk about these beautiful photographs. And this one is my personal favorite. The reason behind this to be my favorite photograph is the angle also, and also the what it's called, the history or the memory behind it, something like that. So this is my crew not, and this is me, and he's removing Manko from my head. This is the ritual that is done by the coaches. ये आपके fight से पहले होता है, like when you enter inside the ring and they remove this and they pray for you to win the fight, and that was the most beautiful moment for me. Still it is. Every time I step inside the ring and I am with my crew and he does this, and I think that's the most beautiful moment for me. It's been total 5 fights and fighting is okay, but this gotta be the most beautiful moment. So that's the reason this is my favorite photograph. And these one are the memories. Max Muay Thai. This is the same one from Manseret. This photograph, like hand wraps मारने के बाद, सब कुछ करने के बाद. And this photograph, we're going some fighting tournament, kids fighting. I'm sending kids home. Yeah, every memory is important to me. अभी भी बहुत सारी photographs हैं जो मैंने अभी इस दीवार पर लगानी है from my previous fights and also my previous memories from Thailand. Now let's talk about my Muay Thai equipments. Starting with the first ones that I bought when I opened the studio. तो ये मैंने सबसे पहले buy किए थे from Extreme, 1600 rupees. That's how much they cost. But trust me, very bad equipment. The reason, whenever you wear them while sparring, let's say you are hitting someone or someone is hitting you, even you are blocking or kicking, these guys always make sure that you hurt. So if you are looking for a better equipment, I think you should go for Invincible. I still have to try the new ones that they just launched, so just wait for it. I will make a review about them also. These ones, ये बहुत ही अच्छी quality के हैं. I mean, not too hard and not too soft. Perfect. And these guys, Fadex. I mean, probably most expensive equipment I have right here. I think in India these cost around 20 to 25,000, but bought it from Thailand, so saved a lot for myself. And then these gloves, again from Fairtex, bought from Thailand. In India, I think they also cost around 20, 25 to 30,000. हाँ, देखिए आपको ये मिल जाएंगे. But if we talk about the quality is amazing. These are not Muay Thai gloves, okay? These are boxing gloves. The difference between Muay Thai and boxing glove is this. As you can see, these are Muay Thai and this is boxing. A lot of padding here. This way, lot of padding and much more wider. And these are boxing gloves, not Muay Thai. As you can see, there is no padding here right now, but these have, because let's say someone kick you, you can block with these guys. So these are Muay Thai gloves. These are boxing gloves. मेरी सलाह ये थी कि मैं ये सारी वीडियो हिंदी में बनाऊंगा, but I am just too comfortable in English now, so I'm just talking in English. Sorry guys. This is the guy that I never use. He's just in my studio, but I never use this guy.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay. But अभी भी कोई scratch नहीं, कहीं से खराब नहीं हुआ. Reason, मैंने कभी इसे पहना ही नहीं, because this is too uncomfortable to wear. अब बात करते हैं इस इक्विपमेंट के बारे में. मेरा रीज़न था इन्हें बाय करने का ताकि मैं अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो कर सकूं. सो मैंने एक ऐड भी रन करी थी इनको लेकर, बट it was not a success that I was looking for. Everyone was texting me to just get them. I think probably 90% of them, उनको कोई interest ही नहीं था training में. They were interested in these equipments. So that's the reason I stopped the ad. I will make the ad again, but I will not put them inside the ad like a main attraction. मुझे ऐसे लोग चाहिए जो 2-3 महीने पूरी तरह से committed हो ट्रेनिंग के साथ, and then I can give them as a reward. I never wanted to give these to anyone. I love them so much. I'm giving them just for my business. अगर मुझे अपने business का इतना नहीं सोचना होता, then I'm never giving them away. My favorite shorts. The one that I'm wearing also from Thailand, these ones, and also this one. This is not expensive at all. 200 baht or 20 baht, 120 baht, 120 baht. If to say in Thai, how much is it?
2 hours later.
Nangla song se 20 baht. Nah, Nangla 20 baht. These shorts have so much history behind, because this is the one that I'm wearing right now in the fight. So these shorts are so important to me. This is, I think I started with Muay Thai with these shorts, and I'm not using them anymore. The reason simple है क्योंकि मैं इन्हें खराब नहीं करना चाहता. And also I wear them to my fights. I mean, whenever you are fighting in stadium, you don't get to choose the attire. So they give you their own shorts. No matter if you are fighting in Max Muay Thai, they give you Max Muay Thai shorts. Raya Damnam, they give you Raya Damnam. But if you are fighting somewhere, someplace like this, you can wear your own shorts. And these were the shorts that I wear in my fight. That's the reason I love them. And I'm not using them anymore because I don't want to ruin them. So I'm keeping them as part of my memory. And this means sing in Thai. With Huh? What? Oh, this matter. Okay, so I mean, this has nothing to do with Muay Thai. This guy, I just decided, okay, I wanna run a 10 kilometer, so I just decided to participate in that, and I was exhausted in my 4th kilometer because I was not training at all, and I was exhausted by the running. So I just got this for participation, and I'm keeping it. Yep, everything is a memory. Every object holds a memory. So that was my equipment area. Yeah, I keep my t-shirts here. I don't know if it's important to tell, but I keep my t-shirts here. तो अब बात करते हैं वेट ट्रेनिंग के इक्विपमेंट्स के बारे में. अभी मेरे पास सिर्फ 2 पेयर्स हैं डंबल के, एक 10 किलो का और दूसरा 2.5 किलो का. मैंने और ज़्यादा इक्विपमेंट भी लेकर आने हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल केटल बेल्स, अ बेंच, और ऑल्सो 2, 3 या 4 और पेयर डंबल के, 1 किलो के, 5 किलो के, 15 किलो के, 20 किलो के. अभी आई थिंक यही तक सही है. दिस इज़ माई पंचिंग बैग. ये भी बहुत पुराना हो चुका है, एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू गेट अ न्यू वन फ्रॉम इनविंसिबल. थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है बट द क्वालिटी इज़ अमेजिंग. दिस वन इज़ नाउ टेकिंग टू मच डैमेज, एंड आई थिंक इट्स टाइम for this guy to be retire soon. And this is my pull-up bars. I don't know what these guys are. I have them. I mean, इनके से इस pull-up bar के साथ ही मिले थे, but I'm not using them. And these are resistance bands. ये भी मैंने लिए थे. I'm not using them as much because mostly जो मेरी training है वो ज़्यादातर on body weight होती है. For example, squats, lunges, split squats, pull-ups, push-ups. So जब ज़्यादा equipment हो गए, then I can move myself to free weights. तब मैं फ्री वेट्स के साथ रनिंग करना शुरू होगा. सो ये थे मेरे इक्विपमेंट्स, एंड नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द होल स्टूडियो. तो अभी हम वीडियो को ख़त्म करेंगे स्टूडियो के बारे में बात करके. तो ये कलर खुद डिसाइड किया था. दिस इज़ एग्जैक्टली नॉट व्हाट आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर, बट आई एम ओके विद इट. एंड खुद कलर किया इसको मैंने. एंड देन दीज लाइट्स ऑल्सो, बस मेरे दिमाग में आया कि मुझे एक बॉक्सिंग ग्लव्स बनाना है थंडर के साथ. सो आई जस्ट डिड इट. आई चूज ग्रीन कलर एंड दिस यूजिंग LED. And now let's talk about the floor. ये है cow mats actually. This is not something I think that you see at some fitness institute or some fitness academy. I decided to buy this one because first of all, ये बहुत ज़्यादा एरिया कवर करते हैं, and ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट भी नहीं है और हार्ड भी नहीं है. I mean perfect for doing Muay Thai because in Muay Thai you are not wearing any kind of shoes in your feet. You are just bare feet, jumping rope. And for entrance, decided to put some grass क्योंकि मैं इसे cover नहीं कर सकता because whenever you open the door and this stuff here, सो नो मैट फॉर हेयर। और अभी के लिए यहाँ पर मैंने सिर्फ ये शीट लगाई है, बट आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू चेंज इट, समथिंग दैट आई ऑलरेडी हैव इन माई माइंड। मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता, पर जब भी बनेगा मैं उसके बारे में वीडियो ज़रूर बनाऊंगा और आपके साथ शेयर ज़रूर करूँगा। जंपिंग रोप्स, ओके, दिस वन। तो जब मैंने जंपिंग रोप खुद से बनाई, रस्सी उसी उड़ के, बिकॉज थाईलैंड में ट्रेनिंग करने के बाद मुझे इस जंपिंग रोप की आदत पड़ गई, दिस वन। एंड बैक देन जब मैं वापस आया, मेरे पास इतने पैसे थे नहीं कि मैं ये वाली खरीद सकूं, बिकॉज इन इंडिया दीज जंपिंग रोप्स आर अराउंड 7 to 8 to 10,000 and so expensive for a jumping rope. So I decided to come up with an idea, and it was not exactly what I was looking for. ये तो इसके like not even a match. It's not even a match to this jumping rope. So I decided to make this one. I still use it, but I'm looking forward to change it, because trust me, I'm not giving this to my any clients. Never. I can use it, but I'm not giving this to my client. But I'm still keeping it, because जब मेरे पास ये नहीं था तब मेरा इसी जंपिंग रोप ने साथ दिया। सो आई एम कीपिंग दिस। तो ये थी गाइस मेरी पहली यूट्यूब वीडियो अबाउट माय स्टूडियो। अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो इसे लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना और मुझे सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना। थैंक यू सो मच।